Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I'm going to take a look at this ACER notebook. It's the ACER CROMEBOOK R11. Here is the model number. So it's this is a more modern thing, but it's for one of the best friends of my wife. So the story is actually hilarious. First, she told us that she poured a glass of wine into this while browsing the web. Yeah. Then she revealed it was actually during sex. She kicked with her foot the glass of red wine into this. Yeah, she told me that I can say that in the video. So yeah, I think it's really funny. So I know that it is red wine damaged, so water damage, liquid damage. Yeah, I hope I can fix this for her. Normally I don't work on these more modern things because really complicated. But I hope I can fix this for her. So, without any more waffle, let's get started. So first things first, let's try if it's charging. I have the charger here. Where does this go in? Here, I think. Let's see if we have a charging light. It should be right here, yeah. So it is still charging, but I won't turn it on. I think it's been about 2 months, I think, since this happened. So first, let's open it up and take a look. So she told my wife it doesn't power on at all. So let's see. What awaits us in here? Oh yeah, I can still smell the red wine. So, oh yeah. So I have a little, there's corrosion. Let's see the other side. That seems to be okay. So let's see if I can get this off here. So let's see what to do. That's for the battery, I think. This looks to be for the, let's zoom in a little. This I think is for the display. So here on the underside I can't see any sign of liquid damage. It's not as bad as I thought. Here's a little corrosion. So I give this a proper clean and then I put it back together and see if it's working. If not, I don't think I will be able to fix it. Yeah. Okay. So now I think I take a look if there are some shorted components like caps or blown fuse or something. So here that doesn't look too good. I have a bridge, there's a lifted pad, but I just cut it off here and see if I get away with it. I cut it off. And then I hope this goes back together. Let's see if the battery has power. The battery is completely dead. The power goes in here. There is still a power light. So, moment of truth. Is there still life in it? And no, there's not. So I dig a little further and tell you if I find something. So I found something. Here is a chip. And I have a short on this capacitor here. And this one. This makes me think maybe this chip is faulty. I found something else. Here is the board where the power button is. And if I flip this over, ta-da! Look at all the corrosion here. Yeah, I clean this off. Maybe the short then will disappear here. I took this out, now I test. Maybe it's gone. Yeah. Yeah, I clean this up and then let's see. This would be fantastic if it was just this. Yeah, that looks pretty bad. So now let's see. So now the charging light is blinking. I think this is a good sign. So I let this charge for about 2 hours and then I report back. But honestly, I'm not very hopeful, but yeah. See you in 2 hours, or in your case, in a few seconds. So what did I try to fix this? Yeah, I disassembled it completely. I cleaned off all the corrosion as good as I could. I couldn't find any shorts or broken components. I reflowed some of the chips where I saw there was corrosion. That didn't help, so yeah, I'm out of ideas. I normally don't work on these modern things, so I thought I'd give it a try because it's for a friend. Yeah, but sadly it's no fix. What can you do? The friend that gave me this laptop didn't expect it to work because, yeah, and it's laying around like for 2 months, so yeah, it was really corroded. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. Maybe there was something useful for you in it. Like or subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye.